So, hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Fun Zone. Now, today we are going to learn how to create a basketball game in Scratch Junior. So, are you excited? Very good. Let's get started. So, let me share my screen. Perfect. So, let us start with a new project. Okay. And let us take another sprite. So you can select any sprite of your choice. I think this one looks good. And let us delete this default. Okay. And let us take a background now. So let us go into this backgrounds. And we have to select a basketball court, right? So this one. Perfect. And let us add a basketball. Here we have it. Perfect. Now what do we want? We want her to take this ball, drag it and then put it in this basket, right? Okay. So let us write code for this girl. Let us go to the yellow blocks and we will add a green flag. And we want her to go towards the right. Okay, so we will take this one and let's say she goes 11 steps. Let's see how far she goes. So when she moves 11 steps, she will come near this basket. Okay, perfect. So let us take this one and we will end it. There is one more way of doing this. What you can do is take the green flag and move it one time and then go to the yellow tab and add a loop, and you can take this loop. Okay, and in this loop you can add it. So this loop you can move 11 times. So this is the same way you can write this way or even this way. It is the same code. We are just using the loop and writing this. So either way it's fine. So for now as we have learned this new way, we will take this one. Both ways are correct. We are done with the girls code now. Now let us write the code for the basketball. Let us go back to the green flag and let us move towards right, and let us, in the same way, we will add the loop, and loop we will execute for 11 times and add a red flag. So let's start. Okay, so the ball is moving and the girl is moving, but we want the ball to hop a little, right? So we will have to add that code as well. So let's try for that. Add a hop button. What happens? So this is not what we want, right? We want it to go together. So let us take one more green flag. Okay, and let us add a loop. Okay, let us add a loop inside this. And let us see now. Let us try to run this again. Perfect, right? So we can see the ball is moving towards the right side and it is jumping up and down. So this is the position, original position of the ball and the girl. Now when we come towards the end, we want the ball to go up and then come inside this basket, right? So for that we will have to write some more code. So what do we want? We want the ball to go up and then go right side and then again come down. Okay, so but the ball should go a bit more up till the basket. So let's say I will keep it as 6 and let us keep it as 1, and the ball should come down, so we will keep it as 8. Now let's try to run this. Okay, let's make it this one little more, 7. And now let's try to run this. Yeah, perfect. So let's add a red block over here. So isn't it awesome? We have just added the basketball in the basket, and we can with the simple lines of code. So I will just show it again. Let's try to run this now. Awesome. In this way you can create your own basketball game in Scratch Junior. So do try it out. Try to change the characters, try to change the balls, backdrops, and use the same code that we have used. Try this out and it with your parents. Bye bye.